feeling like it. Comfort in my sins, and all about me. Only got right now, feeling days of resentment.
Hey y'all, I want to show y'all how this bob wig got installed. It was 14 inches and now it is cut. This hair is Yum Yum Hair Collection. This is a 13x4 bob as well. I just want to show y'all. Transparent lace. Go shop.
This one I got you with the jabata. I know get time I did that. Dada cover my face, calling me that bada. Biggie man we don't be where I bada. Tell me, what's it come? You are come, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, and the feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, and the feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must comment it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try to take me to my way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty survive with this. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it come? You want come? All the Bentley, they can't ride the boat, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? Chihuahua, all the Bentley, they can't ride the boat, I no feet. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling the floor like the ocean.
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out. Yes, I'm in now, that's so edgy.